Hello, this is Unlock 3, listening and speaking for B1 level. This is week 5, day 5. In this video, we are going to focus on a pronunciation feature, which is called word stress. So let's begin with the meaning. What is word stress? Words have syllables. So what does syllables mean? Look at this word. This word has 2 syllables. Jew. Jew is a syllable. And bail. Bail is a syllable. So a syllable is the shortest, the smallest part of a word when you say it. Jew is a syllable. Bail is a syllable. So this word has 2 syllables. But how do you say it? Do you say it like this? Jew bail. Or do you say it like this? Jew bail. Or like this? Jew bail. So as you can hear, this pronunciation is the correct way. It's not Jubail, it's not Jubail, it is Jubail. Let's look at this word. How do you say this word? Is it Mohammed, or is it Muhammad, or is it Muhammad, or Muhammad? So as you can easily see, this word has 3 syllables, and the second syllable is stressed. Muhammad. So word stress is the strong syllable in a word. Now, we have a little problem with word stress. In English, word stress is important to help you understand, to help your listeners understand you more easily. Some words have the same form, whether they are a noun or a verb. For example, this word can be a verb or it can be a noun. However, the pronunciation may not be the same. So the spelling is the same, but the pronunciation may not be the same. In many two-syllable words, transport, this is a two-syllable word. In many two-syllable words, nouns are stressed on the first syllable. So this is a noun. Trans is the first syllable. Port is the second syllable. So nouns are stressed on the first syllable. So you say it like transport, transport. And verbs on the second syllable. So this is a verb. So how do you say it? You say it like this: transport, transport. So if it's a verb, the stress is on the second syllable, transport. But if it's a noun, the stress is on the first syllable, transport. Listen to this one more time. Transport, transport. Some words, some two-syllable words, don't follow this pattern. For example, this word can be a noun and this word can be a verb, but they are pronounced the same. Control, control. You are now going to listen to 2 sentences below, so these 2 sentences, and answer these questions. You have 3 questions. In which sentence is research a verb? In which sentence is research a noun? Where is the stress in each word? Let's listen.
Unit 4, 4.1. 1.
They would also discuss the research done by air crash investigators.
2.
I decided to research it online.
So, in which sentence is research a verb? Well, Even without listening, you can understand that with to, this is a verb. In which sentence is research a noun? And even without listening, you can understand from the article the. This is a noun. And where is the stress in each word? Listen one more time.
Unit 4, 4.1. 1.
They would also discuss the research done by air crash investigators.
Did you hear that she said research? So the stress is on the first syllable.
2.
I decided to research it.
Did you hear research? This is research, and this is research. So word stress can be on the different syllables in different cases. Now go to exercise 4.2, and this exercise can be found on page 72. You are going to listen and circle the stressed syllable in the words in bold. Before listening, pause the video here, read the sentences, and just try yourself. Circle the stressed syllable. After you finish circling, come back to check the answers and listen to the track. So now let's listen and try to hear which syllable is stressed.
4.2. 1.
Research shows that air accidents are less common than car accidents.
2.
We are researching traffic safety.
3.
The number of accidents has decreased.
4.
There is a decrease in the number of passengers flying to Fiji.
5.
The company was presented with an award for road safety.
6.
He received a new car as a birthday present.
7.
Scientists are working hard to invent safer forms of transport.
8.
We need more vehicles to transport people to the conference.
So, what did you hear here? The first one is research shows. So this is the noun form, research. The second one is the verb form, research. 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 Look at number 3 and 4 now. Number 3, this is the verb form. Decreased. Decreased. What's the noun form? Decrease. Decrease. Do you see the difference? Look at 5 and 6 now. This looks like a verb, so the company was presented. Presented. Present. The second one, present. Present. Do you hear the difference? Present. Present. And 7 and 8. Let's look at 7. Transport. That's the noun form. Transport. And the second one is the verb form. Transport. Listen to the difference again. Transport. Transport. Practice saying the sentences in exercise 2 again and again to be able to recognize and be able to use word stress in these sentences. So in this video, we focused on an important pronunciation feature, which is word stress. You can go now to the next video to study the key vocabulary to get ready for listening 1.